Good evening, guys. So I'm doing question number 5.12, power energy power. So here an electron and a proton are detected in a cosmic rays experiment, and the kinetic energy is 10 kilo electron volt, and the second is your 100 kilo electron volt, right? What is which is faster, electron or the proton? We need to find the faster, that is velocity of the electron as well as velocity of proton. So as we know that they have kinetic energy of the electron, they have given 10 kilo electron volt, and mass of the electron is your 9.11 into 10 to the power minus 31, right? Now kinetic energy of proton, so kinetic energy of proton they have given how much? 100 kilo electron volt, and whereas mass of the proton they have given as 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27. I hope you have understood. Now what this all thing they have given. Let us consider velocity of electron as v and velocity of proton as vp, right? Now what is kinetic energy of the electron? So can we write here kinetic energy of electron is equal to half into mass of electron into velocity of the electron. As we know that they have given kinetic energy of electron as 10 kilo electron volt, but we need to convert this into joule. So for converting joules, so they have given 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. So can we do this? Can we do this here? So 10 into 10 1.6 into 10 minus 19, and this is equal to 1 by 2 into mass of electron into velocity of the electron whole square. So while using calculation, so finally you will get that velocity of electron is 1.87 into 10 power minus 10 power 6 meter per second. Now similarly we need to do the same. So kinetic, can we write here kinetic energy of proton as a half into mass of proton into velocity of the proton whole square? Because as we know the general formula of the any of the mass is kinetic energy is equal to half into mass into velocity square, right? Now can we write here 100, because kinetic energy of the proton is they have given 100 kilo electron volt, but we need to convert it in a joule. So if I will convert it into the joule, so 100 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 is equal to half into mass of the proton they have given 1.67, and this is your velocity of proton whole square. So by using calculation we will get like this. So if you will calculate this, so finally you will get velocity of the proton like this, 1.38 into 10 power 5. So from here we can see that velocity of electron is much larger than the velocity of proton. So finally we got conclusion that velocity of electron is moving electron is moving faster than proton. I hope you have understood now. Okay, but one thing you have understood that the energy of the proton is 100 kilo electron volt, but the energy of electron is 10 electron volt. So don't be confused from energy and the velocity. Energy is different thing and velocity has a different relation. So in spite of more energy in proton, but it is slow because proton is very high mass. Okay, thank you.